Good morning. My name is Carol and I want to introduce you to my family members. He is my husband. His name is David. He is from Corozal. He is a construction city master and a student of linguistics. He likes to listen to music and cook. He doesn't like football or English. He is my older son. His name is Juan David. He is from Corozal. He is fifth grader. He's like dot at watching TV. He doesn't like vegetables or soup. He is my younger son. His name is Juan Diego. He is from Corozal. He is student in the second grade or elementary school. He's like animal and watching series. He like dogs and watching TV. He doesn't like vegetable or juice. Thank you.